To eliminate unpleasant odors in your washing machine, it's essential to understand the potential causes. These can include mildew and mold growth, residue from fabric softener and detergent, or dirty drain and waste pipes. To address these issues, start by adding bleach to your machine: 4 cups for top loaders and 2 cups for front loaders. Set the machine to the highest temperature and begin a wash cycle, allowing the tub to fill before pausing the cycle once the bleach has mixed with water. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Then complete the cycle and run a rinse cycle to remove any remaining bleach residue. Next, scrub away any residue and clean the fabric softener, bleach, and soap dispensers, paying particular attention to corners and crevices using a sponge or old toothbrush. For top loaders, clean around the hinges and door, while for front loaders, focus on the rubber seal in the rubber gasket. Additionally, check and clean the drain and waste pipes, ensuring the P-trap has water and using drain cleaners if necessary. If the smell persists, consider consulting a professional. By following these simple steps, you can effectively eliminate odors from your washing machine.